Okay, this is the second part. Call it the more difficult multiplying problems. There's only a couple, but um, this one really stumped some of my kids last year trying to keep organization here. So what I want you to do is think about foiling it from the first to every single term. I do know that Alex teaches it differently. Alex teaches it to group this term like b squared against this binomial. I think it's harder that way. I think it's more difficult. Personally, I think it's easier if you just continue your foiling thought process here. And I'm going to use different colors for each multiplication just to keep it straight. So 3v cubed minus 15v squared minus 12v. Okay, that's it. That's the first one. And I'm going to change colors to go to the second one. So we're going to go 2v squared. Now, I have a choice. I can line it up here, okay? But I actually learned this last year. I think it's so cool. It's a different way of organizing. So I'm going to go down plus 2v squared, okay? 2 times negative v minus 10v, and 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. And then you go ahead and you add it all together. 3v cubed minus 13v squared minus 22v minus 8. Okay, let's do the next one. Same thing, but look, now you're multiplying a trinomial times a trinomial. So 3 terms times 3 terms. All right, so for me, it's easier to do, again, distribution this way. I usually don't do the arcs all three at once. I usually do one and then multiply one and then write the answer, one and then write the answer, just to keep myself organized. It's a better practice. So minus 15y cubed plus 2y squared. Okay, then I'm going to go to a different color, and I'm going to go below because I think it's easier. So 6y times y squared is 6y cubed. 6y times negative 3y is negative 18y squared. 6y times 2 is plus 12y. Then last one, let's get a different color. I'm going to go here on the top, 3y squared minus 9y plus 6. And boom, all the way down, 5y to the fourth. Let's bring it down, negative 9y to the third. That's 5, negative 13y squared plus 3y plus 6. Okay? All right. Okay, here's another one to try. I wanted to show you, I think for some of you guys, I'm not sure if this makes it easier. I did see some of my students in my Algebra 2 doing this. So I think Alex teaches this, where you go 2w times this whole quantity. You rewrite it. This is an option. I just want to show you. If this makes more sense to you, in other words, boom. And then the second one would be plus u times 4w minus 7u minus 5. I don't have enough room, okay? But the idea is that you would do plus 5. Sorry, I'm going to carry it down here in the stupid way. Times 4w minus 7u. I don't do this because it's basically what I'm doing already with my rainbows, okay? But I did see that a lot of kids did this, and it seemed to help them organize their thinking. So if that's you, please feel free to do that. It's basically the same thing I'm doing. They're taking every term here, and they're multiplying it by the whole term, okay? I just do it with my arcs. So now like 2w times 4w is right here. 8w squared, 2w times negative 7, and I say it out loud. It's the same thing. So anyway, I'm going to continue as if I started, okay? Negative, it is kind of easier to see it, I guess. 14 UW, because U comes before W, minus 10W. It is actually easier to see it. Heh. Okay, sorry. I've never done this before, and now I'm like, oh, hey, that's not a bad idea. Okay, 4UW minus 7U squared minus 5U. And then last green, and I seem to not be able to space this out. 20W. Geez, honestly, you had the whole page, Ms. Baca. You couldn't do this? Okay, plus 25. All right. See, now when you line it up like this, man, it's hard to see, isn't it? It's like it's hard to get to, I guess it's harder to find your like terms. This is why I personally like lining them up underneath one another. So I'm going to actually do that. So, and I figure you guys are fine because you're probably just writing stuff down. Here we go. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Okay, so here we go. It's going to be plus, for me, 4UW minus 7U squared doesn't go there because it doesn't match up with the W. So I'm actually going to put it further out, which does get a little weird because you're not putting them together. But, you know, it's 7U squared and then minus 5U. Did I change? I freaking changed colors on you guys. Oh my Lord, I am so sorry. You guys, the green just went with the blue and the blue with the green. Oh man, I feel bad. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This is like the third time I'm doing this problem. All right. I can't go back and edit because I don't have powers like this. Okay, so we're gonna go, sorry, I'll do this fast. Okay. 7U squared minus 5U. There we go. Now the green. Sorry, that was weird. All right, now we're going to 20W. Look, I don't even, that one goes here. Okay, 20W. I don't have more than one term. Any of these, more than two terms, rather. Okay, so the next one is 7U, so we're going to, 35U, so we're going to put it here. And then minus 25. So you would add up your like terms. Okay, and you would get 8W squared minus 10W UW. Can I move it up at all? I can't. Sorry, guys. Plus 10W minus 7U squared minus 40U minus 25. Okay, so combining like terms. It's really the multiplication out and then keeping straight. I'm going to do this better. I'm going to redeem myself right now. Okay, so I do this. 5 times 7, 35x squared. 5 times 6, 30 TVWX. Okay, minus 10x. Then come different color. 5 times 7 is 35VX. So it goes here. Oh, no, it's 35V squared. No, it's not. It's 35VX. Okay. Plus 35V squared. And then minus 10V. Okay. Last one. Again, I'm in the wrong spot with my spacing. I don't know. I'm having issues spacing today. It's weird. Okay. 21x. Going to go here. 21x. And 18V. And then minus 6. Sorry, again. Okay, minus 6. Boom. I think it's because I haven't done my notes in a while and I'm getting used to this board again. Oh, no, it's probably because I've been doing my notes on Siteboard. And now I'm doing them on Jamboard again. And it's been a while. Hello, Jamboard. Okay. Okay, I'm just bringing everything down, adding like terms. And sometimes they'll have you rearrange it. This is actually kind of okay because the x goes from 2, and then this is actually got a power of 2, but x is to the first power, but we added another another letter. So this is kind of actually okay because it's kind of like we have an x squared polynomial and we have a v squared polynomial, and that's okay. And I don't think I have actual 6. Nope, I don't. That's it.